Mali ko, mali.
Paano yung mga upuan natin?
Yan na, yan na.
Gosh, kapagod talaga ito eh. Nasa bang?
Nakagalaki tayo sa Saturday.
Ay, ano yung kapagod? Lapit na yung ba? Wait! Look guys! Sila Kenji oh!
Jim! Sino? Kenji?
Oy! It's me naman! Ayun oh! Par? Eh, bakit ko na? Girls, remember nung JT tayo? Like, that was the best part of my journey as a student.
Paano ba naman hindi magiging memorable ito? Eh, ang slayable ng advisor natin.
Para natin lang, natin group classes.
Pero kidding aside, Ma'am Palma made a very big impact on our lives as a student. Kahit pa sobrang problematic natin noon, she never failed to understand us. Parang noon lang, please get one and two. Uy, perfect ako! Same! Oh my God! Naka 25/60 na ako sa map eh. 25 ka lang? Ay, common sense lang yan ah. Okay, I did my best. I tried my best naman. Ano nangyari dito? Tisha, bakit ka naiyak? Ma'am, si Kenji po.
Ma'am, naka-25 lang daw po sa map eh.
Alam mo, Tisha, okay lang naman. Hindi naman masama ang pagkakaroon ng 25 sa exam. Ang mahalaga, alam mo, titry mo yung best mo. Pag-igihin ka lang natin, may next month pa naman. At kayo naman, bilang mga kakas niya, dapat kayo ang magiging reason para ma-motivate siya, hindi para mag-down siya. Dapat kayo ay nagtutulungan sa taas, hindi naghihilahal pababa. Sige po ma'am, sorry po.
Isang araw mo na palagay. Parang iba sinabi mo na isang araw. Ano ba? Parang iba.
Sa ilalim ng isang buhok, mga sikreto ibinubulok kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo. Ngunit kayo,
Magkay.
Yan, magkaibigan lang yung naintindihan. Hindi ko talaga namin napansin.
Happy Teacher's Day to all of you. We would like to express our heartfelt appreciation to all those teachers out there, as well as non-teaching staff for their commitment in teaching, for inspiring the youth, and for helping students to be the best version of themselves. Happy Teacher's Day, especially to Ma'am Chari Palma, our advisor, who loved and guided us from the very start. We love you so much, Ma'am. Stay stayable as always.